Hey everybody, so we're going to come up with a really cool game that you guys can play with indoors, alright? Now, all you're going to need for this, it's a little bit of a DIY, so you're going to do it yourself on this one. You're going to need a couple things of supplies. So one, you're going to need a painter stick, okay? I picked it up at Home Depot, it costs like a few cents. You can get a whole bunch of these, you might even have them laying around the house. They come in really handy for this game. You could really use anything that's flat as a handle. Okay, so anything that's flat as a handle. You're also going to need some painter's tape. Any tape will really do, except Scotch tape. Scotch tape is a little thin, but if that's all you have, you really could use that as well. And you're going to need 2 paper plates, okay? 2 paper plates. And I'll show you how this game comes together, all right? Really simple. I've actually already pre-cut a hole inside my paper plate, and I'm going to kind of place the painter stick inside the plate just like this. Now I want to have just enough of a handle so I could still hold it, but not too much of it is in there. You want it to be as secure as possible. And then from here, you're going to take whatever tape you have, and you're going to really secure that stick on the inside. Now I'm going to use a little bit more tape, okay? So just one piece, but this is the basic idea, okay? The handle should kind of hold in there. So we're going to put some extra tape just in case it comes loose, because you'll see why. We're not really going to get a chance to do this again. So we're going to put as much tape as we can in here. All right, so I'm just going to get a whole bunch of tape. And with the magic of YouTube, I'm going to show you what the finished product looks in a little bit. So now, next thing you want to do is take some tape, and you want to seal around it. Okay, so from here, all I'm going to do is place tape over here, and seal all the way around. Now, I can make this as neat as possible to save a little bit of time on the video. I'm not going to take too much of your time. You really can design it any which way that you want. You could use different types of tape. Duct tape works really well, but it makes it a little heavy. So basically, you're going to keep sealing it all the way around, and at the end, it should look nice and neat, just like this. All right, so when you're done, just put it all the way around. It should hold. If you want to put some extra tape on it, it doesn't hurt. I also like to wrap the handle just in case there's any splinters on there, so you can wrap the handle. Again, any tape will do. And from here, what's really cool about this is you can use, just to be safe in the house, use a balloon. All right, and it works just like a tennis racket or a paddle ball. And you could really whack these things pretty hard because it's just a balloon. All right, well, show me yours. I want you to make one. Leave a message in the comments below, and let me know how yours came out, okay? Maybe I'll finish this other one too. All right, take care. Bye.